Question number 12 asks us to solve the following equation of 12 times n plus 1 equals 3n minus 6. First thing we'll notice is that there are indeed n's on both sides of our equation, so we're going to have to balance this equation. We also have parentheses. So in this scenario, we have to distribute first. So I'll take my 12 and distribute into the n plus 1. So 12 times n is 12. N plus 1 times 12 is 12. Equals 3n, I'll say plus a negative 6, add the opposite here. Now I can balance. I have my two sides. I want to get my n's together first, so let's remove 3n's from both sides. So I'll add a negative 3n to both sides. That becomes a 0. This now is just 9n plus 12 equals negative 6. Next step will be to remove my 12 to get my n by itself. So that's going to be adding a negative 12. This cancels out. I'm left with 9n equals negative 6 plus a negative 12, which is a negative 18. Final step is to multiply by the reciprocal of 9, which is 1/9. Both sides. 1/9 times 9 is just 1n. And then negative 18 times 1 is negative 18. And then obviously that's over 1, so 1 times 9 is 9. And so n is going to equal negative 2. We now take that answer, plug it back into our original equation to check. So we'll have 12 times n, which is negative 2, plus 1 is equal to 3 times n, which is negative 2, minus 6. Parentheses first. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1, equals 3 times the negative 2 is negative 6, minus 6, or plus the negative 6. 12 times negative 1 is negative 12. Negative 6 plus the negative 6 is also negative 12, so that checks.